Hello friends, welcome to my channel Quick Physics. Today's our topic is real images and virtual images. So in this lesson, you have studied about what are objects and what are images. Now you are going to study types of images. Actually, when you are going to study the type of images, there are two types of images, that is real image and virtual image formed by the light rays and an object. So here first type is real images. Real images means what? The image which can be obtained on the screen. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called real image. Such as you can see when you visit in a cinema hall. We see the number of images formed on the cinema screen is an example of real image. So some examples of real images, we see the images of actors and actresses on the screen. So the images formed on a cinema screen is an example of real images. So when the real image is formed, when light rays coming from an object actually meet at a point after reflection from a mirror or through lens. It can be lens also. So a real image actually meet at a point after reflection and can be formed on a screen, and this image is formed on a screen because the light ray actually passes through the real image, and so what happens, and so the real image is formed. So and here the second type of image formed is virtual image. In virtual image, the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. These types of images cannot be formed on the screen, so they are called as virtual images. So virtual image में क्या होता है, जो भी image form हो रही है वो mirror के अंदर हो रही है form, और वो हम स्क्रीन पे नहीं ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं, इसलिए इसको हम वर्चुअल इमेज कहते हैं. और रियल इमेज में क्या होता है, जो भी हम इमेज फॉर्म कर रहे हैं वो जब रेज ऑब्जेक्ट से मिरर पे आती है और मिरर से फिर रिफ्लेक्ट होती है तो वो रेज सीधे स्क्रीन पे जाके इमेज फॉर्म करती है, मिरर में नहीं करती. जो भी इमेजेस फॉर्म हो रहे हैं वो एक वाइट पेपर या स्क्रीन या वॉल पे हो रहे हैं. So this type of images are called as real images. और virtual image में क्या होता है, जो भी image form हो रहा है वो mirror के अंदर form होता है, so inside the mirror. So these type of images are called as virtual images. So some of the examples of virtual images are every day we see ourselves in the plane mirror. So that is one example of virtual image because the image is formed inside the mirror. So and virtual image be seen only by looking into a mirror, और लेंस से भी हो सकता है image virtual image form. So this was all about real images and virtual images. I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.